there's a way that you can save money and time, and that's printing out these strips right here. Now, what this does is it does multiple things, really. One, it saves you time and it saves you money, and it allows you to satisfy more people in a way more efficient way. So you see this strip right here? Now, this strip came from the printout of a photo that's originally sized 4 by 6. But because it's a strip and the printer will cut this in half for you, that means that when it prints, it's actually printing out a strip for one person and another strip for the another person. So when you have these larger groups taking photos, you're going to save a lot more time printing out less photos because those photos are being cut in half. That means that you're able to produce photos faster and use up less paper. And to me, when I learned about this, I thought to myself, all I have to do now is get the okay from the client, and this is going to work really well. For example, if you guys have like a big corporate party and there's hundreds of people at the event, or say, for example, it's a homecoming and there's going to be over 500 students. So this is one way that I can say would be most efficient, and consider doing this for your next event, especially if you're going to be doing physical prints like this. And I hope this video helps, guys. I'm going to continue exploring new things, new products, and new software, and I'll see you back on the channel when I have some new news, baby. Peace out.